lên từ thiên lưu thiên ya cu nia mua cho xiên lò tí thái chùa xia ya cú tranh ha ya cú nia u thủ cho cú tao nó lo ya cú nia u mùa hạ đê lo pin lu của mùa hiết chữ pin cho kê khứ mùa sông đông tan cho tì hà rong pi chỉ tao cây luôn đã cu nia lên từ mùa xia rong ya cu nia mò xia thiên có cu nên tranh ha cho cu mù tua cu tê là ha đê chê hoa chê khó ra cho cu bờ mùa hạ đê lo pin lu của mùa hiết dư pin cho kê khứ mùa sông đông tan cho tì hà rong pi chỉ ta kê luôn ta cu nia lên từ yua lu cu ya cu nia to thiên địa như mua kia xua xia ya cu tao na yo ni o chạy tê sơ lu chạp lơ yo cu y lên nia mùa hạ đê lo pin lu của mùa hiết chữ pin cho kê khứ mùa sông đông tan cho tì hà rong pi chỉ tao kê luôn ta cu nia mùa hạ đê lo pin lu của mùa hiết chữ pin cho kê khứ mùa sông đông tan cho tì hà rong pi chỉ tao kê luôn ta cu nia lu chạp lơ do cú y lên nia
are bold, love strikes away the chains of fear from our souls. We are weaned from our timidity and the flesh of love's life. We dare be brave, and suddenly we see that love costs all we are and will ever be. Yet it is only love which sets us free.
One man, one woman, with hearts so true, come before you to say I do. A love fair, a dream come true, a couple shares what they are destined to do. He takes her hand to have and hold, their hearts embrace and never let go. A touch so pure, a smile so real, she closes her eyes so she may feel. The love of one man, the love of her life, they join as one, as man and wife.
Thank you, Nikki and Juliet. Cho nên tất kỳ, cho nên tất cả các phương tiện dư. Còn nó biết tôi họ nó sẽ nói rằng biết tôi còn mà sẽ phong cái lúc trong cỏ, lúc trong play, còn người là người si vọng cờ. Thì trong tù thì phong cờ xe, người phong nè, chiếc xe nè, nằm cả đâu ok, chiếc xe nè, trong đó còn ok. Cho nên làนี่เราจะป้องที่ป้าเดี๋ยวเราเหมือนเป็นเดย์รู้นอนเราเชื่อมั่นที่จะไม่ใช่พวกของกับลูกท่องซ้อมไปตรงกับลูกว่าเราจะเชื่อกับลูกนอน Always here we have come to the point of the ceremony where you will be saying your vows to one another. Before you go there, I ask you to remember that love which rooted in faith, trust, and acceptance will be the foundation of a long-lasting relationship. Please now read your vows you have written for each other.
Witnesses today, I choose you as my husband from this day forward. Although I believe in fate, I also believe that we have a choice when it comes to the pivotal moments in our life. My first choice is to share a dance with you when we first met. I then chose to be your girlfriend when you asked me to be your own. From then on, we've had many moments filled with laughter, joy, and blessings. However, we've had to share the moments that have tested our patience and our love for one another. Through it all, you have chosen to believe in us. It has been your choice to keep fighting for us, and eventually we won. It is your kindness, your patience, and your selflessness that have won me over. You have been my rock, my knight in shining armor, and my companion. You have brought such happiness and hope into my life, and my life would be so very different if I had never met you. You are my best friend and my greatest supporter, and I would not choose any other than you to spend the rest of my life with. From this day onward, I look forward to building a life together with you. I promise to walk by your side through triumph and heartbreaks, through laughter and sorrow, and through good times and tough times. I promise to continue dreaming with you, to continue encouraging you, and to continue working on fulfilling our goals together. And finally, I promise that I will continue to choose to fight for you, and sometimes with you, every day for the rest of our lives.
Years ago, I met you at a family event. It took a while and a few years to have the courage to ask you to dance. We should have danced. We went out separate ways. We both didn't know if we will ever see each other again. But fate gave us another chance. It wasn't long before we met again. While I was getting coffee, he came behind me and asked me if I wanted any sugar with it. I replied, yes. He gave me some sugar and went on to attend your duties. I knew you had to put a spell on me, but I couldn't confront you because it was working already. I knew. No. Not long after that incident, we started dating. The more I know about you, the more I fall in love with you. However, you kept your distance because you were afraid that I would become a distraction. You kept your education, goals, and dreams a priority. I knew I had a real little chance with you, but I took a risk and went all in. The gamble didn't pay off until 3 years later. But you finally opened your heart to me. I knew that I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you at that very moment. You are the most amazing girl I have ever met. You are not only beautiful, but intelligent. You are the most loving and kind-hearted person. You helped me shape into the man I have become. So today, I give you all of me and all that I have. I promise to love, trust, respect, honor, and support you for the rest of my life. It's time for the ring exchange. Could please each this ring to form. Form please this rings on Xia's finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring to you as a daily reminder of my love for you. Could now please give offering to Xia. Xia, place the rings on Tong's finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring as a daily reminder of my love for you. May you living the wedding rings as you exchange today remind you that you are surrounded by enduring love. Foreign Xia, today you are here to join both your life together. These two separate vessels of sand symbolize your separate life before you found each other. They symbolize your separate friends, family, and choices. Today, both of you will seal your bond by bending these two individual ways together. Once the sand is blended together, it cannot be separated. Just as sand cannot be separated. Your friend and family are here today to witness your love never separating. By blending these two sand together, we are recognizing the importance of blending two families together. May you always honor and protect your family.